Hello beauties and welcome back to my corner of the internet. If you are new here, then my name is Mariah, also known as Live It Life Beauty, and I'm so glad that you have found me. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for joining me again on another video. So today's video is my July sewing make. And guys, I think I jinxed myself in my last video because this month is a zero makes video. So I literally didn't complete anything in the month of July, and I was thinking, well, do I post that or not? But because I am doing monthly updates, I do think that it is fair that I do show that with you and document it just for myself as well, because I might be thinking like, why didn't I do a July makes video when I'm looking down the line next year? And I'll probably just think that I forgot to do it rather than it was because I didn't make anything. So yeah, I thought I would come on here to share that with you. In these videos, I always like to say why a month was a particularly good or bad sewing month, and I think July ended up being a zero make month because my daughter's birthday is the first week of July, so we were prepping for her party that whole week and the months prior. And then the second week the kids had sports days and literally every parent activity going at school, so that took all my days up. And then they were off for half term and we were going on holiday. So I was really frantically doing last minute packing, cleaning, shopping, and just, you know, getting ready to go on a holiday. We also had family come from abroad and they also left in the month of July. So I really wanted to make sure that I spent as much time with them in July before they went back home. So yeah, I think July was just a very family and gathering month. So I really didn't get anything sewn, but that does not mean that projects have not lived rent-free in my head. I've literally been like, do I have an extra half an hour? Can I squeeze in an hour to get this done? And ultimately I haven't, because I'm very new to sewing and the last thing I want to do is rush something and it turn out not great, because I have had some projects that I have done that on and I've always regretted that I didn't just sew it up properly. This is a very short and sweet video, but nevertheless I wanted to post it and just be real and transparent with you guys that not every month is going to be a great month when you're on a journey. I am a bit sad and disappointed in myself because one of my rules was to make sure that I'm doing something on my sewing machine at least once a week, and I haven't made anything or mended anything because my mending projects do count. So yeah, do let me know what you managed to get sewn up in the month of July. I don't want to jinx myself with August because the kids are still on half term summer break here in the UK. They don't go back until September, so we still have a whole month of fun here in the UK until they go back to school. But I've just had so many projects living in my head and taking up space. I actually have to get some done in this month. I literally want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. I've had an influx of new subscribers and it just makes me so happy because I'm just like, this is my dream to share my creative hobbies with you guys and just to build a community. So thank you so much for everybody. If you're a new subscriber, do be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know where you are from. Let me know if you are on a sewing journey, if you've had any zero month projects yet, and why that ended up being the case. So as always, do not forget to live life beauty, because life is beautiful and it's out there waiting to be lived by you. And hopefully I will see you in another video. Bye.